rainy day vocabulary.
Umbrella. Umbrella. Take an umbrella with you. It's raining. It's raining. It is pouring rain. Pouring rain.
It's pouring. This means it's raining a lot. We also say it's raining very hard. Another phrase, it's raining cats and dogs, means there's a lot of rain. But raining cats and dogs is kind of old. Young people don't use it a lot.
I'm wet. I'm wet. I am soaking wet. I am soaking wet. Dry my hair. I need to dry my hair. My shirt is dry. Dry. Thunder. Thunder. Do you hear the thunder? Lightning. Lightning. Do you see the lightning?